Yo, we back with another video. Today we have a sneaker unboxing, and we have 3 of them to be exact. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first shoe we have is navy bluish and white. It's a Jordan 12 and the box is white. What is y'all's guesses on this pair? Look, once again, it's a Jordan 12. So what is it? So these are the Jordan 12 Indigo. I think that's how you say it. These are the Jordan 12 Indigos. So to be exact, I got about 4 pair off this person. I got them for a steal. These in good condition, original box. I'm saying just a quick wipe down, they gonna get posted. And now we on to the next shoe. Okay, so these are a Jordan 13. It is a low as well. So what y'all think it is? It has a yellow tan-ish tint and the secondary is black. Come on, let me see the guess. And the shoe is the Air Jordan 13 Chutney. I think that's how you say it. So right here, I'm just checking to make sure this is the original box and they match up. And these really aren't even that bad. I'm debating if I want to clean it and get the suede back, or is the suede all right? Y'all let me know in the comment section what I should do. But now we on to the next shoe. Okay, so now when this box come out, don't think it's what it is, okay? I don't know why it's in this box, but don't think it's what it is. So the shoe itself is black and gold. To me it look gold, but this isn't even a Jordan. The shoe is the Yeezy 350 Copper. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I'ma cop these for myself.